Unlock the full potential of your Sony A7 Iv by effortlessly connecting it to your iPhone for instant sharing and remote control. First, ensure you have the Sony Imaging Edge mobile app installed on your iPhone. You can download it for free from the App Store if you haven't already. On your Sony A7 IV, make sure airplane mode is turned off, then press the Wi-Fi button on your camera. Navigate through the camera's menu using the directional button, select Connect to Smartphone, and press the center button to confirm. Your camera will now display connection options. It might show Wi-Fi network name and password, or a QR code. Open the Imaging Edge mobile app on your iPhone. If you see a QR code on your camera screen, tap the Scan QR code option within the app. If your camera displays a network name and password, choose the option to connect using Wi-Fi credentials. Once connected, your iPhone will recognize the camera. You'll see options to transfer images wirelessly or to use your iPhone as a remote control. Tapping Remote Camera allows you to see a live view from your A7 IV directly on your iPhone. You can adjust settings like aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and even trigger the shutter remotely, perfect for getting yourself in the shot or for stable, tripod-based shooting. To share your photos, select the Transfer Images option. In the app you can choose specific photos or even select all the images taken since the last connection. Once you've made your selections, simply tap the transfer button, and your high-resolution images will be sent directly to your iPhone, ready for editing and sharing on social media. This simple connection streamlines your workflow, bridging the gap between capturing stunning images with your Sony A7 IV and sharing them instantly from your iPhone.